Lesson 2-4 has to do with adding decimals. So all we're going to focus on is adding these. So adding decimals. Now, when we have questions where we're specifically told to add, we can say something like maybe 2 and 49 hundredths plus 0 and 7 thousandths. We learned in lesson 2-3 when we add decimals, we have to make sure that we line them up using their decimal points. So if we have 2 and 49 hundredths, we see that 0 and 7 thousandths also has a decimal point we can use. So we're going to use that decimal point and fill in the numbers so that the place values stay the same. Now, there's another rule that we talked about, and it's to make sure that we have these zeros filled in. So we have this nice box shape like we did when we were comparing decimals. So now we have our nice box shape and we can move on with adding. 0 plus 7 is 7. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 0 is 4. We're going to bring our decimals straight down. And then 2 plus 0 is 2. So when we add 2 and 49 hundredths plus 0 and 7 thousandths, we get 2 and 497 thousandths. Now, let's say we had a question that looked more like this. 45 and 298 thousandths plus 72 and 987 thousandths. This is conveniently also the same number of digits, so it's going to be really easy to line these up. We have 45 and 298 thousandths. Line it up with 72 and 987 thousandths. Put our plus sign in. It already makes that nice box shape, so we don't have to worry about filling in zeros. Now we're adding 8 thousandths plus 7 thousandths, which is going to be 15 thousandths. We're going to take 10 of those thousandths and regroup them because we know 10 thousandths makes 100th. So we can go ahead and take our 15, regroup that 1 into the hundredths place, and then we can do 1 plus 9, which is 10, plus 8 more hundredths, which is going to be 18. We're going to regroup that again because 10 of those hundredths is going to make 1/10. So we're going to write our 8 hundredths that stay, and then we do 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 9 more, which is 12. So we have 12 tenths. And we're going to regroup 10 of those because 10 tenths make 1 whole. Now we can bring down our decimal. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. That's going to be 8 ones. And then 4 tens plus 7 tens is going to be 11 tens. And that 11 tens, this 1 over here is really 100 because we regrouped 10 of those tens. So when we add these two decimals, we get 118 and 285 thousandths.